to start this now, we have to start popping off all of the trims. So we have to pop off this, move our way over here, and then after that, we have about 2 bolts right under here. You can see those 2. And then pop off these side panels. And then there's 2 more bolts on each side. I believe they're all 9/30 seconds. Yep, all 9/30 seconds. So I'm gonna get started on that and then get you back to you when I'm done. God damn. I should just Alright guys, now we officially have the radio out. After, from what I said before, you have 2 more bolts in this area. Oops, turn that on. And then, obviously, you see we popped up this panel. Because definitely, with these little tabs at the end, it would not allow you to remove the radio up. So after I removed this on the console, I actually had to turn the car on and put it in neutral to bring the stick back to get enough space so we can pull out this tray that I said we had 2 bolts at the bottom for. And yeah, I don't know, it's like a lot of work to get this thing out, but it's out now, and keep pressing this on button. So it's out now, so let's go ahead and start unplugging it. We have 1 large plug here. Go ahead and unplug that. We have another one here. This one we're gonna have to lean over to see how it works, but it's not too bad. We also have our start switch. This one is in this corner right here, and then our cigarette lighter switch. So let's go ahead and remove all of those and uninstall this radio. Alright, so after struggling for a while, the clips are actually reverse. It's funny. This is easy, this is easy. This one you actually have to pry the 2 tabs up. That's the start button here. You actually have to pry the 2 tabs up. And this one you have to stick something in this hole right here to pull it out. So not as simple as it was, as it made it seem, but actually very hard. So now we have our 4 connectors here. Make sure you don't lose these. Pretty sure, I don't know, we're probably not using this, but we'll see after we install it. So now we have to uninstall the CD changer and remove the screen here. So there's 4 bolts here. Started removing 2 already, and then another 4 bolts for the CD changer. Alright, so to remove this clip now, all you gotta do is push down on this tab and swing this arm up. Boom. That's how you remove the screen. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna put this on record just in case if anybody else have the same problems trying to take out the actual radio, because this is the actual radio. This piece right here, trying to pull it out, the wires were stuck behind this tab right here. So I try to pull it as much forward as I can and basically snake my hand back here to push on this tab, click, push on this tab, click, and then radio came out more. Gave me enough space to remove this last tab, which is another thing you just push on the top, click, boom. So this looks like the radio antenna, and then 2 just radio accessories, probably like, you know, speakers and whatnot. Just constant red looks like power all the time. So that's about that for the radio. If you guys are wondering what the problem, if you guys have the same problem with the radio not working, could just be there's like a fault in the radio or whatever, or a lot of the times it's this black box right here, the FOMO code. So this you would have to take out, give it to Ford, well, buy a new one, then give that to Ford and have them reprogram that, and that would basically, you know, solve whatever problems with the radio I believe you're having. I've seen it online, I've read it, don't 100% know if that's true, but I believe that's the black box, that's the problem. Because it is a software issue, it's not really a hardware issue, because when you push the radio button, it basically, the screen glitches, and then I should have showed you guys before, but the screen glitches, and it doesn't want to turn on any radio or nothing, no sounds at all or anything. So I believe that's the culprit right there. But we're going to bypass this entire thing and just say forget it and install our Tesla radio. So